Hello everyone and welcome to HT. Today we will see how Tiny 11 compares to Windows 11 across three popular games, starting from the title with the largest performance gap to the one with the smallest. You can find links to the YouTube videos in the description showing how to install Tiny 11. If you prefer keeping your current Windows installation and converting it into a Tiny 11 experience instead, you can try my app, Velotic. Boosts your FPS in any game, from indie shooters to AAA titles. It tunes your CPU and GPU automatically. No setup, no guesswork, no tech skills required. Junk files silently slow your PC down. Velotic detects and cleans them automatically the moment they appear, keeping your system fast and responsive without you doing a thing. Over 500 tweaks let you control every part of your PC. One click debloats Windows, instantly transforming it into something like Tiny 11. Need apps? Install everything in a single click. No searching, no waiting. Running low on space? Velotic compresses files to save up to 70% storage without deleting anything. Power plans and hidden performance tweaks unlock every ounce of potential from your hardware. This all-in-one tool is just $10 until September 1st, 2025. After that, the price jumps to $20. Built over 3 years and used by thousands, Velotic delivers speed, space, and control instantly. Install it now and your PC runs faster, smoother, cleaner. Delay and your PC stays slow. Velotic transforms your system. Period. Now, without wasting any time, let's get to the benchmarks. Sit back and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Comment down below if you want to see other games tested. This is Neil from HT, signing off.